Welcome to a new video. It is finally time to move out from our apartment to the other side of Helsinki. We are currently living in Jätkäsaari and we are moving to another island east of Helsinki. And today is the day we are packing our last thing. The moving company is coming in a couple of hours and we are gonna grab the last boxes and fill them up and clean and empty. So welcome to the third, I think, moving vlog. Welcome back to the top floor from the cellar and our storage unit. Our apartment looks like a storage unit as well right now, but this is how it looks when you are moving. You can probably relate if you have moved once or twice in your life. So yeah, this is how it looks like right now. Most of the things is packed. And the things we have left to do is actually the cleaning. So emptying each rooms and then go on and clean out all the cabinets and the floors. Food! Please appreciate my Tetris packing. I'm so proud. We've been living in this apartment for 2 years now. It is on the top 7th floor, which might seem really nice at first, but we have had ridiculous issues with the roof leaking. So yeah, the house is built in 2017 and you would think that everything would be working, but due to a flat roof, living in Finland where there is a lot of snow. So when the snow is gathering on the roof and in the springtime it melts, it starts leaking inside, which is not that nice. That is one of the reasons why we are moving. This is also an apartment that are meant for teachers, Swedish speaking teachers in Helsinki, working as teachers. And because I quit my teaching job last year, this means that we can't live here anymore because, it's fair. It is meant for teachers in Helsinki, so of course it should also be used by a teacher here in Helsinki. So yeah, we are moving to a smaller apartment. This apartment has 3 rooms. We are moving to a 2-room apartment. So unfortunately, I have to give up my first studio space ever. yeah, it will be a challenge to get everything to fit in the new apartment, but I'm still excited. Even though I will not have my own studio space, this is my first apartment where I had a separate studio space, so I'm pretty used to working in the living room, and I'm, to be honest, pretty fine with that. We are also moving to the ground floor, and I miss living on the ground floor. When we lived in Vasa, we lived in a apartment that was also on the first floor, and we didn't have any neighbors on top of us, just on one side, and it was like living in a row house, and I really, really enjoyed just stepping outside your door and being on the ground level immediately, and not being forced to take any elevators or walking any staircases. So I'm really excited. We will also have our own outdoor patio, maybe you can call that mini garden, but with no grass. And I'm really excited to get to grow some vegetables and just have an outdoor space again, because I really, really miss that. Welcome to our new apartment. This is how the pink bed looks like in a proper light. And yes, we are currently living in a sea full of boxes, and we will probably do so for a couple of days. I'm really excited though to get starting packing everything up, but one of our issues is that we don't really have a lot of like storing units to put our stuff in. So we might need to go on Facebook Marketplace to see if we can find some shelving units. I also have stuff that I have thrifted up in Jakobstad, where my mom and dad lives. So I have a couple of furniture pieces that I would like to get down to Helsinki from there, so that I can use them here in this apartment. So yeah, hopefully that will happen in the near future. It is a couple of weeks later, and we have finally settled in and packed up most of our things. This is how my studio corner looks like right now. We have both of us is working with computers, so we have made a computer wall where we can work, and it's pretty cozy to get to work beside Lucas, in my opinion. So I was lucky to find this amazing Lundia shelf in the perfect measurements for only 50 euros on Facebook Marketplace. I was quick to grab it, and our lovely friend Joel came with his car and helped us pick it up. And yeah, now it's time to try and figure out how to assemble this thing, because I haven't assembled a Lundia hylla previously, so this is a first. It is a couple of weeks later again, and my lovely mom and sister came with some of the furniture that I have been storing in my mom's and dad's garage for I don't know how long, too long. This is a TV unit in teak, maybe from the 60s or 70s, I would say. I have thrifted this piece up in Jakobstad on Facebook Marketplace. Fell in love with it. Had my sister's husband to go and get it for me, and then it has been living in my mom's and dad's garage for maybe 2 years, I think, because we haven't got it down to Helsinki. It is a bit of a project to get furniture 400 kilometers south. But yeah, I'm so happy we finally got a little bit more storage, and the best things is that this unit has cabinets and doors, and you don't have to see all these stuff that are inside of it. And yeah, I realized that open furniture is nice in some cases, but for the most part, I really like to hide away stuff. Yeah, this is the end of this moving vlog adventure. I hope that you have been enjoying following along on this journey of moving into a new apartment. If you haven't seen the previous episodes, I will link them down below for you. And let me know in the comments if you would like to watch a apartment tour, a studio tour, now that we are a little bit more moved in and everything have found its place. We are still though waiting for our mattress for our bed, but hopefully it will come really, really soon, because we are not really sleeping that well on that really thin mattress that we are currently sleeping on. But enough about that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!